Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix messages not being received on Android. So if you're waiting for a certain message but it won't come because there's something wrong with your messages apps on your Android phone, this is how you can fix it. First, you can go to the settings on your Android phone, and then you can just scroll down and find the app settings. Tap on apps and click on see all apps and find the messages app. So because it's a default app, you need to click on the three dots icon first, and here click on the show system apps, and then just scroll down until you find the message app. Let's scroll down. Okay, this one, messages. So just tap on that, and in here you can see that you cannot disable or force stop it. So what you need to do is just click on the storage and cache and try to clear the cache of the message app. After that, you can try to restart your phone and see if the problem is fixed. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.